Okay, like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, good. Fried tofu. What's up, guys? David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in Kyoto, Japan. This was the capital of Japan for over 1,000 years, from the 8th century up to the 20th century. Yeah. And I'm here with my guide, and his name is Kosuke.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Kosuke, working as a tour guide in Kyoto City. Let me show you around many temples and shrines.
We're gonna go to 2 temples. So we're going to this temple, then we're gonna eat next to a beautiful shrine, the most famous shrine that everybody takes photos of on Instagram, the one with the red, like, little doorways, right?
Many red gates.
Red gates.
Yes. This is a temple called the Komyo-in Temple, known for beautiful Zen garden. So as you get inside, you see the rock garden with many maple trees.
I mean, the second I landed in Kyoto, it felt like a different world from Tokyo. Tokyo is just skyscrapers, concrete, lots of people.
Yes.
Kyoto feels quieter. I know there's a lot of people here, but it feels quieter.
Yes.
And it feels very traditional. Like, this is like, I didn't see this in Tokyo.
So this is a cherry blossom, bloom in springtime. And especially we call this cherry blossom shidare cherry blossom. In English, weeping cherry blossom. This is a maple tree with no leaves this time, but they have very red small leaves in November.
So when you enter any temple in Japan, take off your shoes, and that goes the same with any apartment. If you go into anybody's apartment, they always take their shoes off and they have slippers. Okay, shoes off.
There's no train station around here, so it's hard to get here as a tourist.
So this is the Zen garden. As you can see, they have these huge rocks just coming out of the garden, and I love that type of grass. Yes. It's like tiny grass. Oh, moss.
Yeah,
okay, it's moss.
The ground was covered by moss, covered with moss. Represent beach actually. Yes. Wow. So they all have small details actually. So you see the rocks here represent a mountain. And the white gravels you see here represent ocean. So they all signify nature. And you don't find any fancy or elegant things inside of the Zen garden because people have to be focused on the meditation.
By the way, guys, you cannot step into the Zen garden. See this thing we're on right here, this wooden platform? This is the farthest you can go. That was actually raked by the head monk. Every week he rakes that. And then obviously just don't walk over there. It's very disrespectful. They will tell you something, so.
One single block of cypress tree.
This one right here.
Yeah, this one.
Incredible.
So not only garden. Here you can see the many picture. Sometimes winter goes like this.
Wow.
This is the coldest season. For January to March is the coldest season in Japan. And not only winter time, but also springtime. There's a couple of cherry blossom inside the garden and bloom in springtime. So you are now in the prayer hall. This is a chair for head monk. He is reading Buddhism Bible every day in front of the statue of Buddha here. This is a statue of Buddha. It looks like made from copper or bronze, but actually this is made from cypress tree again. Yes, so it's carved out separately first and joined together like puzzle. We call the yosegi zukuri is an artificial method to make this statue of Buddha. And not only statue of Buddha, but also this ornament.
Wow.
Are made from cypress tree as well.
This place is amazing. I mean, this is so incredible. The detail that goes into this, carving a cypress tree into all these different things. And also the floor over there. I couldn't believe that huge slab was carved from a cypress tree. Okay, so we saw it. Very beautiful temple. This is like a real old temple, 14th century, and the name is Komyo-in.
Komyo-in Temple.
Komyo-in Temple. So basically we saw one temple and we have 1999 to go. No, I doubt I won't even see maybe 3 more.
Let me do it.
Yeah. Have you done it? 2000?
Most of it.
Oh yeah. My God, that's a lot. But now let's go eat. I'm super hungry. I need to have some breakfast. Yo.
We are now in Fushimi Inari Shrine. One of the busiest sites in Kyoto. 7,000 people come visit here every day. And on the New Year, even local people come visit here to pray the prosperity of their business. And I saw 1 million people here on the January 1st.
1 million people came here on January 1st. And this is the most Instagrammable spot in all of Kyoto and probably all of Japan, the Red Gate. Before we go into the shrine, we're first gonna stop here at the food market. I'm very hungry. I just had a small bento box at 6:30 in the morning on the bullet train. So I am starving.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki.
Yes.
I like it.
That Octopus Ball.
Octopus Ball, that's something we're gonna try right now. Octopus Ball, oh I can't wait. I can smell the food, the aroma in the air is just amazing. Oh, look at that. Octopus balls. Look at that. Incredible.
Good stuff. So they put batter and octopus, and they also put red ginger and cabbage, and they cook it about 15 minutes, and they just flip it to make it a round shape.
I mean, we just saw the whole process. I mean, he put a bunch of batter, he basically purees it there, puts it here, then he puts the frozen octopus into it, then he puts, I'm sorry, it's ginger.
Red ginger and cabbage.
And cabbage, so red ginger and cabbage. Then he puts some more batter, so he fills it up completely. And that's it. We're gonna try it now. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're trying is takoyaki. Octopus balls with ginger. Look at this. Oh my god, this is crazy. It looks so hot. A little too hot. Big octopus. Some mayo. Like ponzu sauce? Is that ponzu or is that soy?
Not ponzu sauce, it's just original sauce.
It's the original sauce?
I would say takoyaki sauce.
That's takoyaki sauce?
Yes.
Oh man, it's very mushy. Oh, it's falling apart. The batter is still super hot. And you said this is bonito flakes, right? Bonito flakes?
Yeah.
It's a little too hot right now. I think I'm gonna let it cool down for a bit, but it's basically a nice batter. It's a little soft. It's not too crunchy at all. It almost feels slimy in the middle. And then a big, huge octopus. Wow. I mean, it almost feels like creme brulee inside, very mushy. I love the bonito on top.
Good.
Oh my god, this is amazing street food. I can't eat 6, but I can eat 3. I'm just gonna let it cool down though. I think I burned my gums a little too much right now. It was incredible. Ooh, what a snack. Takoyaki sauce is amazing.
Yeah.
I feel like the mayo in it, because it has to be mayo, that little white sauce.
White sauce, yeah.
Has to be in the bonito flake. Oh, look at how it falls apart. It just falls. Oh, it fell. So next up, we're gonna get some tofu steak, which is basically a tofu skewer. What he does is he cooks it a little bit, right, on the skillet. Then he puts it onto a plate, and then he puts some wasabi, and you put different sauces on it.
Very good. I love it. My favorite food is here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that. So if you guys don't know, tofu is a specialty here in Kyoto. I was gonna actually get one of those crab sticks, but he was telling me it's fake crab, so I don't want to go fake crab. I like this. This looks amazing. What else is he putting on? He's putting some pork? Is that ham? Or is that bonito?
Seaweed and bonito.
Oh, seaweed and bonito with a nice sauce? Ooh, that looks yummy. We're sharing it. We're sharing it, you and me. Put on the side. Too little? Too little. Alright, so we got some tofu steak. It looks incredible. We got tofu, we got bonito flakes, we have seaweed, we have some ponzu sauce, right?
Yeah.
And then we have some it looks like sriracha and it looks like ginger. You want one?
Yes, please.
Oh, so you grab one, I'll grab another one. Okay, like that. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Fried tofu.
Nice and fried.
Yes.
I love the crispiness of the bonito flakes. But a little, the seaweed gives a nice taste to it. Very like the sea, you know?
Yes, good combination.
Great combination.
Yeah.
But the problem is you have to get in here and really try to get some of the flakes, put it on top. Let's do it, my friend. I'm gonna drink this thing. Let's do it. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
The bonito alone with the ponzu.
Had everything.
This costs 400 yen. The takoyaki costs 500 yen. So far we spent $9. Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah, this is a gyoza.
Gyoza?
Yes. See?
Oh my god. For fried.
Chicken skin dumpling. So this gyoza was wrapped with chicken skin. Wrapped with
chicken skin?
Yes.
Okay, I think we'll finish with that. Let's get a small.
Yeah, I give you.
You get it for me? Okay, perfect. So we're gonna have some chicken skin dumplings I've never tried before. And besides just food stalls, as you can see, there's so many of them. I mean, there's not that many. I mean, I think there's like 7 or 8. Besides this is also right in front, a lot of souvenir shops selling like a bunch of different things. This is really cool. I actually bought one of these in Japantown. I would love to take this home. I don't know why I would love to do that, but I mean, it's Japan, right? What is it called? Chicken skin dumplings?
Yeah.
This
Chicken
looks...
skin gyoza.
Oh, sorry. This is chicken skin gyoza. Wow. Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Oh, wow. It's the best gyoza I've ever had.
My favorite.
The best.
Because of that
The
chicken
ultimate.
skin.
Because chicken skin, yeah. Chicken skin really changes the whole texture.
Texture, yeah.
Fatty, really fatty.
Really, yeah. Go ahead.
That's it, me?
Yeah, of course.
So the chicken skin gyoza costs 300 yen so for 3. So it's basically 100 yen for 1. So $1 per each. Not bad.
It's a dry persimmon. It's the most popular fruit in Japan. One of the most popular.
Can I have one? Oh wow, it's like... It's almost like a fig. Like a fig? This is so freaking good. So, it's not just that little section. This thing continues for a while. Now, it's like even more food. I'm really full though, so I don't know if I can eat this. I mean, let's keep going, dude. Let's keep going. It's too much food. Chopsticks, like super fancy chopsticks. We got eggs, we got some mochis here, more souvenir shops. I mean, and it's packed, and he's telling me this is nothing. This is nothing. And these are like no Japanese people here. Mainly people from Asia, other places. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I collect masks. In each country I visit, I buy masks for my wall. So I decided I'm gonna buy these two. This one, which is really cool, and this one. Each one is 2,000, so each one is 20 US dollars. So $40, and I get it. So it's not paper mache, it's fiber. So it's a little harder, and hopefully it makes it home. And yeah, thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. 4,000. Here's the 5,000 I gave him. Thanks, dude. That's great.
My pleasure.
Man, beautiful. The shrine, just so many colors. Oh, there's more masks. There's way more masks over there.
Okay, now we are going to walk Toritonos, which is the most popular site in this shrine. When I was small, it wasn't very popular actually. After the Memoir of Geisha is an American film, this shrine became very, very popular.
Here's where the gates start, and from here to the top of the mountain, there's 10,000 gates. 10,000.
Over 10,000.
So how do you just keep going until you see no one? So you can get some photos? Oh my god, this is insane. Whoa, look at this. Okay, like I said before, each one of these was donated by a businessman. And here on the left side, that is the name of the company. And over here on the right side, you can see that's the date that it was built. So these, in the beginning, are the oldest? Okay.
Because these gates are made from cypress tree again, so they last only 30 years. So every 30 years, factory people replace to old one to new one. Yes, and if you pay extra money, you can continue. If you don't pay it, you have to pass the space to someone who's waiting for it.
It's like real estate. Gate real estate. I like it. I like it. Dude, this is gorgeous. This is like amazing.
So we're gonna walk the smallest gates from now on, and this is the cheapest one. So the price of the gates will be changed depends on size. So this is the smallest, which is the cheapest, about 2,000 US dollars for it. Why don't you buy it?
And what about the other ones?
About $10,000.
Wow. Dude, this is amazing. All right, we just exited the first section, and this other road right here, that's to go back down. But if you want to continue going up, here's like another 5,000 or 6,000 right there, and that's 2 hours to go back up. 2 hours round trip, right?
Yeah.
It's 2 hours, so 1 hour up, 1 hour down.
In shape of fox face. So as you buy this wish board, you have to draw fox face first, and then you can write down your wishes, and with your home address, to let God knows where they are living to get prosperity or something.
So there's only 10,000 gates, right? So what happens is people who really want to donate, what they'll do is they'll buy a small gate like this one, which only costs 2,000 yen, so like 20 US dollars, and they put it in front of the holy rock. So as you can see, there's a lot of them are here. I think there's like maybe 100 just stacked up on top of each other, and the holy rock is right behind. Really cool. I mean, I think I'm gonna buy one and take it home. Right here is like a good luck rock. So you gotta think, okay, this thing is heavy or not. So when you hold it, if it's heavier than you thought, that's bad luck.
山手の方をお参りしていただいて、来た道帰っていただいただけです。
I thought it wasn't that heavy, and now it's heavy as hell.
またいますか？
I love it.
Like that?
It's just, it's gorgeous, man. This is like,
10 years old, 15 years old, 16 years old.
oh, so you know, you
It's a
can.
new one.
Oh, that's very new. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can tell the ones that have like fresh paint are brand new.
Yeah,
Oh, I love the oxygen. It's so much air up here, you know, because we're on the mountain.
yeah.
Wow, this one's like really old.
Yeah, about 20 years old.
20 years old. Wow. All right, guys. So we explored two amazing temples. The first one was very traditional, old school, 14th century temple, and then we came here to this shrine and visited the food market. A lot of street food there. There's easily like 40, 50 different varieties of food. I really love the tofu.
Did you like it?
The
Yeah,
tofu
my favorite as well.
and the gyoza, the chicken,
Chicken skin.
chicken skin gyoza.
Yeah.
That was so delicious. Even the first one we tried, the octopus balls.
Octopus Ball was amazing.
It was amazing, it was
Yes,
amazing.
It's our snack. It's
your
our
snack?
traditional snack.
So it's traditional in Kyoto, right?
Yes.
So you can find it, because I didn't try it in Tokyo, but I tried it here. So,
Yes.
oh my god, it was so good. It was so juicy, so filling. And yeah, we had so much food, and then we came up here into the shrine. We saw the 10,000 gates. I mean, we didn't go to the very top, because I think it's a little too much. I mean, I have very limited time. If you really want to see Kyoto correctly, I suggest at least 3 full days, and I only have a day and a half. So, but yeah, I mean, this is easily like a 3-hour journey here to do it all. But yeah, guys, I hope you love this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and when you come to Kyoto, definitely look up this guy.
Yes,
He's the
please.
best guide on the planet.
Yeah. I was born here. I'm Kyoto local, so I know so many sites. So let me know anytime.
Hey, Kyoto-san, Kyoto-san.
Kosuke.
And subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Kyoto, Japan.